Get your calendars ready, Tennessee. Most residents only have 11 more days to file a tax return or to request an extension. Joining us now live in studio is the ultimate expert on all things taxes. We have Danny Werfel, the United States Commissioner of Internal Revenue. Commissioner Werfel, thank you so much for being here with us today.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much. Well, we want to get started with you. All things taxes, right? Now, there's so many ways to file taxes. How much is too much, I guess, when we're filing?
Well, first, I think there are a lot of different options for how you file your taxes, and we have a new option this year for Tennesseans to file online for free direct with the IRS. It's called Direct File, and it's available only in 12 states, but Tennessee happens to be one of those states. So I encourage Tennesseans who want to file online and want to file for free to go to the irs.gov website. Direct File is right there, but you can also search Direct File in any search engine. It'll take you right to it.
And when it comes to Direct File, who qualifies for this?
It's mostly simple if you have a simple return. So there are 5 million taxpayers or filers in Tennessee. About 1 million Tennesseans are eligible. If you do a standard deduction, if you're a wage earner, don't have business income, very likely you're going to be eligible for Direct File.
And ideally, you know, we're deep into the tax season now, but ideally, around what time, how early should you be filing your taxes?
Well, everyone has to make a personal decision. As long as you get it done by April 15th, look, it's always the sooner the better. And here's the thing. If you file electronically and you select direct deposit, we can get you your refund within 21 days. And what's interesting about Tennesseans is 8 out of every Tennessean is actually owed a refund. So I am the tax collector for the U.S., but in Tennessee, I'm actually the giver of funds for 8 out of 10 Tennesseans because we owe you money. And again, with tools like Direct File, if you file electronically and you can do it on Direct File and select direct deposit, 8 out of 10 Tennesseans will get you that refund within 21 days.
Well, that's great to know here at home for sure. Another thing we want to ask you is the topic of tax auditing. We want to get into that a little bit. What are some reasons people would land in the IRS audit hot seat?
Yeah, well, look, it's still unusual for you to get audited. And I think it's important for Tennesseans and other Americans to know that right now our biggest focus at the IRS is on the complex filers, the largest corporations, the most complex partnerships, and the millionaires and the billionaires. That's really where we're focusing. If you can work with a trusted tax professional, if that's an option for you, that's usually the best way to make sure that you're filing your taxes correct. But if not, filing electronically with tools like Direct File, it really helps guide you through the process step by step to make sure you're doing it in the most accurate way.
Right, and Direct File, that is a free program for a lot of people who don't know, correct?
Yes, Tennesseans, I mentioned 5 million filers. Last year, less than 80,000 filed for free electronically. We want to get those numbers up. We want to help Tennesseans, those 8 out of 10, get their refunds and do it in a way where they're getting it quick, so file electronically, and doing it for free. So Direct File is one such option for Tennesseans to consider this year.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Commissioner, for being here with us. And of course, we want to tell the people again, April 15th is the deadline to file your taxes.
Thank you so much for making Storm Track 9 your first choice for local weather. To stay up to date with the latest, please like and subscribe.